Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now we will discuss the ninth chapter of The Prisoner of Zenda, a new use for a tea table. Viewers, in the beginning of this chapter, the Resendal was sitting there, the Sept comes there, and he gives him a letter. Then he says that most probably that letter is written by women, but he says that there is another news beside this letter. Then Resendal asks that what is that news. Sept tells that the king is in the castle. Then he says that, how do you know? He said that I have made some inquiries, and half of the six of Black Michael's companion, they are also in the castle. So he believes, and he has made some inquiries, and he has come to know that the king is in the castle. Then Sept says that beside this, the drawbridge is also kept up, and nobody goes there without the permission of Black Michael or the Rupert. So he is. Then again, the Resendal asked that, "Are you sure?" He said, "Most probably the king is there." Then he said that the Fitz wants you that you must go and attack the castle, and you must liberate the king. Then the Resendal says that I will go to Zenda. Then Sept says, "Are you made?" Resendal says that right now I'm not made, but someday I will be made if I will not go there. So here in the beginning of this chapter, we come to know there are some indications that the king is in the castle of Black Michael, and he has also received a letter. Now, what is in the letter? Then the Sept asks that what is in the letter. Then the Resendal opens the letter and he starts reading it. And in the beginning of the letter, it's written that if the king desires to know about the real king, then he must do whatever is written in the letter. Then in later when he reads, the address is given there, the summer house is there, and the complete address is given there. And the letter also tells that the Resendal must come at 12 o'clock tonight, and when he will come there, he will be provided some information about the king. And it is also written that he must be alone, and he must not share the news of this letter to anyone. And if he will neglect this letter, then he will lose a friend, a good friend. Then it was also written that the Black Michael does not pardon. So when he ended the letter, then the Sept says that Black Michael does not pardon, but he can dictate a very good letter. So Sept believed that the letter was written on the instruction of the Black Michael. So was the opinion of Resendal, that the letter is written on the command, on the orders of Black Michael, and the Black Michael is just looking for a trap in order to capture the Resendal and Sept. So he was when he was about through the letter, then on the other side of the letter it was also written that if the king hesitate to understand this letter, then he must consult with Colonel Sept. So they realized, Sept and Resendal realized that the letter was written on the command of Black Michael. Then the Resendal says that I will go to Zenda, but the Sept said that you will not go, I will go. So Resendal wanted to go himself, but the Sept was saying that he will go. Then the Resendal said that whether I will go to Zenda or back to England. Now here, as we discussed earlier, that now the leading role, the all important decisions are taken by Resendal. Here Sept also realized that where he can lead the Resendal or where he can follow. So Resendal says that I believe that woman, the letter is written by a faithful woman, then I will go there. But the Sept says that I never believe in any woman, and you must not go there. That will be a trap and you will be captured by the Black Michael and you will be killed. But Resendel decided that he will go. To cut the story short, they decided that they will go to the summer house and the Sept will stay at the gate and Resendel will go inside. Resendel said that they mounted their horse and he took no sword but a revolver, knife, and a light with himself, and it was a dark night and they started going there. And when they reached the address that was given to them and the room, that particular room that was written in the letter, and when Resendel reached there, on the door was opened by a woman, and in a low tone she asked Resendel to come inside. And when he came there, the lady Muban was there. She told Resendel that this letter was written on the orders of Black Michael. Then Resendel said that I had the same opinion. I knew that this letter was written on the command of Black Michael and it was the trap of the Black Michael to capture me. Then she told Resendel that within 20 minutes, three companions of Black Michael will come and they will kill you. The Resendel said three. She said yes. Within 20 minutes, three companions of Black Michael will come and they will kill you. So you must leave this summer house before those 20 minutes. Lady Woman said that you must be gone within 20 minutes. Otherwise, you will be killed you will be killed tonight. She said that the Black Michael is planning that you will be killed here and your dead body will be found on the lower quarter of the city. Then he will arrest the Colonel Sept and Captain Fritz, and he will order his other three guards. They will go and they will kill the king, the original king, and he will declare the state of emergency in the country, and he will proclaim himself as the king, and he will marry Princess Flavia. Then Resendel asked that why you are telling me these things. She said that whether I'm a Christian or a jealous. Viewers, here it's very important to note that the Lady Muban loved Black Michael and she never wanted Black Michael to marry Princess Flavia. So she was jealous that if Black Michael will become the king, he will marry Princess Flavia and she will be rejected or neglected. So that is why she was giving all information to Resendel. Then she again and again asked Resendel to leave the summer house, otherwise he will be killed. Then he says that if Black Michael asks, then how will you deal? How will you deal him if I leave there? She said that I have my own game to play. He said, what game you will play? She said that I will tell Black Michael that you never came here. So when the Resendel took her hand and he kissed it and he was about to leave, then he heard the footstep outside the room and she said they are coming very soon, Resendel, very soon. Then there was she said that there is a little chunk in the door you could see, and when the Resendel put his eye on that chunk, he saw that three dim figured 3% were outside, and Lady Muban, she turned pale and she realized that the three commanders of Black Michael, they are outside the room and now they will kill the Resendel. She asked Resendel that you must fire and you can kill one of them. Then he said that what then? If I kill one of them, then he will be killed. So again and again she was asking Resendel that be careful, they are here to kill you. Then the voice from outside came that we want to talk to you. Do not shoot until we talk. Then Resendel says that am I having the honor to talk with Mr. Datcher? Then the voice came that don't mind the names. He said the person who was outside. They said that we are here to make a truce with you. We are here to make a peace with you. The Lady Muban was again and again saying to Resendel that do not trust them. Do not trust them. They will deceive you. They will kill you. And then the person from outside said that we have brought an offer for you. And then the Resendel was thinking that what he can do, but the Muban was again and again saying that you must never trust them. Then the Resendel asked that What is the offer, gentlemen? They said that open the door, we must come inside and we will discuss. Then the Rosendal said that we can talk between the door. You should stay outside the room and I will stay inside the room. Then they said that you may fire and you may kill us. He said that I promise that I will not fire until you do. Then said that the person from outside said that we have an offer for you, safe conduct to frontier and 50,000 pounds. So that was offer for Rusendel, that they will take Rusendel safely to his country and they will give him 50,000 pounds. Rusendel says that it is a good offer, but give me some time to consider about that offer. Lady Muban again, she was turning pale and pale, and she was requesting Rusendel that never trust them, they are cheaters and they will kill you. Then then Rusendel asked Lady Muban that she must away from the line of fire in front of the door, and she must take a corner in the room, and there was a iron table in the room. Then Rusendel said that, gentlemen, I accept your offer, would you please open the door? Then they said that you must open the door. Meanwhile, what Rusendel did, he took that iron table in his hands that was made of iron. He took that iron table in his hand and he asked them that open the door. He said the door opens outward, and he asked them that you must stay away from the door, otherwise when I open I may hit one of you. Then Rusendel again put his eye on the chunk of the door and he see that they were laughing and they thought that the Rusendel will come outside and they will kill him. So what Rusendel did, Rusendel put that iron table in front of him as a shield and he took it in his hand, and with a force he opened the door, and when he opened the door he hit the three people. They were outside with the table and they fall down, and Rusendel escaped from there. Then he realized, then when he stood up, then he saw that someone fired from there, but he was away from the line of action and he was running towards the wall. And Muban is told that beside that wall there is a ladder. He can climb by the ladder and he can go outside. So he went there and he thanked that at least Muban has spoken the truth, that there was a ladder, and he went out. He jumped from the wall and he went outside. Then he heard the firing. Then the Sept also joined Rusendel and they went back. So dear students, this is all which is discussed in chapter number 9, and very soon we will discuss the next chapter. Thank you very much for watching. We will meet soon again. Till then, goodbye.